Ever wanted to delete just one pesky cookie without wiping out your entire browsing history? Look no further. In today's video, we are diving into the depths of Google Chrome to uncover the secrets of deleting a single cookie, all while keeping the rest of your browsing data intact. Let's go. Now, you can do this in two ways. Let's go over both of them. Method 1. From Chrome settings. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your computer. Then click on the three-dot icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, click on Settings from here. After that, click on Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Then click on Third-party cookies from here. Next, click on See All Site Data and Permission. Now, find the website whose cookie you want to delete. Then hit the trash icon next to its web address. Now just hit the delete button and the cookie of that site will be deleted. Method 2. From the web page. To do this, visit the website whose cookies you want to clear with your Chrome browser. Next, click the View Site Information button. You will find it next to the refresh button. After that, click on Site Settings from the pop-up menu. Next, hit that Delete Data button and then the Delete button. And cookies will be deleted only for that site. So that's how you delete a single cookie of a website in Google Chrome on your PC. If the video was useful, don't forget to smash that like button. Want more Chrome related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel cause I've got tons more coming. As always, thanks a lot for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.